Well, the first question is, what do you think about the event?
The event was amazing. What was presented, the amount of information enables a person to advance themselves in their business. There's a wealth of information that you could really grow your business exponentially with this information and quickly.
Awesome. So how are you thinking of applying what you learned, or if you already started applying what you learned in your business?
I've already started applying what I've learned in the business because I'm doing real estate. I can do marketing plans for the specific properties, which enable me, I've already done, which will enable me to get the deal over other agents. Number two, marketing plan overall for my overall business. And it's just endless, actually. I've already been playing around with it, and I'm like, oh my God, this is an amazing, amazing technology. So from what I can see and what I've learned, I'll 10x my business.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So last question, what would you say to people that are thinking about maybe learning about AI, but they're not sure?
That's a good question. I would say if you're learning about AI or wanting to learn, but you're unsure if you should learn about it, I'm going to tell you, you better learn about it. If you don't know what AI is and you don't understand it, you're not going to be able to use it, and your competitors are going to take you by storm. They're going to over and surpass you, and you'll wonder why these guys are expanding so quickly and fast. It's because you and your business, you have not taken the time to learn. Knowledge is power, and you want to learn about it if you want to expand. And also, it's in a way you can be cons over it, because no matter what, if you like it or not, it's going to be used by businesses around the world.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah.